Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on BNGO. It's what I call it here on my channel, or BNGO Bionano Genomics. I'm sure if you're watching this, you know what this one is all about. You can kind of see what it's done here in the last 3 months. Just been kind of up and down. Went up to 15.57, and of course I didn't cash out. I'm in the long term on this one. 690, and it's just been kind of flat and kind of going downhill since then. Up 5% in the last month, up 12% in the last week, and today it's just kind of up and down, just basically trading kind of flat. I still have 60 shares at $3.75. I have more in a retirement on this one. I've talked about this one numerous times. Go ahead and pause and read the what it's about. It's in genomics, as you can see here. The firm engages in the development of making the Sapphire system is the main catalyst on this one. Been around since 2003, $2.17 billion market cap, and 21 million shares is the average volume. And you can kind of see some of my history here. I've done quite a few videos on this one. You can see last July I got into it at 98 cents per share, and of course I should have bought 100 shares back then, but didn't, and just sat on them and held them. But you can kind of see what it's done. So from 90 cents in July, and then I bought some more at 2.30 in December. In this period of time, this just wasn't doing much, and I almost was gonna dollar cost average out of it. You can see how it kind of went down. I put in a bid for 49 cents and it didn't fill, probably lowballed it, and then from November to December it started going up, so should have bought in right there, and but I didn't. So, and here's the rest of my purchases, but that's kind of what I've done with it. And I think my cost basis in my IRA is $3 or $5, I forget, but this is a long-term play for me. So projected to grow by 89.87% or more. This is dated on March 26th. The company's recent per share price level of $7.90, trading at 47 cents or 6.33%, at a ring of the bell on the day, assigns it a market valuation of $2.2 billion. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself, since it's a couple days old. The analyst consensus is at an average recommendation of a buy, while assigning it with a mean rating of 1.7. Splitting up the data highlights that out of 3 analysts covering the stock, none rated the stock as a sell, while none recommended at an overweight rating for the stock. And so this one's kind of had some different ratings on it, kind of all across the board: buy, sell, hold. But like I said, I'm in this one for the long term. Recent pullback in Bionano Genomics is a major buying opportunity, and of course I didn't buy any more, but I've been into too many penny stocks and some other things. If it goes back down in the 7s, I might buy some more, but just kind of into some other things right now to diversify. But not saying that I won't purchase any more of this one. I'm just not right at the moment. So dropped to more than 20% in the last month. The development is puzzling, and that's what I thought. So considering how it upturned 4 consecutive quarters of revenue slump with its latest earnings results, regardless of the pullback, presents an excellent opportunity to buy BNGO stock at a discount. And I've seen a lot of other people talking about BNGO and buying it, and I've seen other YouTubers saying it's a buying opportunity. I unfortunately have not bought it anymore, but not saying I'm not going to, and again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do your own due diligence. I'm just making some videos just here for your education and entertainment. And again, we have a stellar 4th quarter results, and feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. Again, this is all on NASDAQ.com. And I'll link my other videos that goes in a little bit more about the Sapphire system and every thing you want to know about BNGO here. And again, this is just talking about how it becomes a buy, basically the same information. Wall Street pummels Bionano Genomics after recent earnings report. And this is dated here today. Went down 3.09% from its latest closing price compared to a one-year high of $15.69. The company's stock price has collected minus 0.89% of loss in the last 5 trading sessions, reported on 3/23/21. BNGO announces financial results for the 3 and 12 months end 12/31/2020 and highlights recent corporate updates. And this kind of goes over again ratings, declares the stock as a buy, 0 as underweight, and 0 rated as a hold, and 0 as a sell. This goes over a little bit more about the market performance and analyst opinion of BNGO, which we've kind of already went over. Goes over the 50-day moving average, minus 22.53%. So we could have another catalyst that would shoot this one up, just like it has done in the past. So it's not giving up on this one. Like I said, I'm in this one for the long term. During the last 5 trading sessions, BNGO fell 0.89%, which changed the moving average for the period 200 days and this is what it's went up. So, and as you can see, I got into it, or could have got into it at 49 cents. So it has had a major run. Back to Reddit. Let's see if we can find any juicy details in here. Nothing as of recent. Options for 20 in August. That might be something worth looking at as well, doing an option on this one. I don't do a whole lot of options, but once in a great while I'll try one. And here you can see a 52-week low of 26 cents and a high of $15.69. So if you got in and got out, you could have made some big money there. We already work with the United States Agricultural Department. I think we may land government contract to explore agri-genomics through universities and research institutions in the United States. And there's Miguel. He's always talking about BNGO. $80 plus by the 4th of July. Bank on it. That's interesting. So everybody that I've always read on this one is bullish on this one. So gotta love Mike Tyson. I did recently hear that he's going to be fighting Evander Holyfield again. So I need to look that up again and make sure that wasn't just something that was a bunch of BS. But that would be awesome. But that's all that I have for BNGO. If you have any of this one, go ahead and put it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have. That would be interesting to know. And again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.